I guess I'm the market maker. I guess I'm the market maker. Anyways, we had a good win today. Extremely fast trading day. Was off the charts by like 9:38. The trade played out in like 45 seconds, so that was pretty nice. But yeah, let's take a look at it. Going into market open, I was low-key bullish because look at this high time frame. We're delivering from this 4-hour gap. I don't know if it was a daily gap. No, but there's a 4-hour gap. And then on the hourly, we're also delivering from this hourly gap. So low-key, I was looking to long to this, all this liquidity. But actually this stuff too, because this wasn't taken yet. But low-key, there was nowhere to long off of because actually, let me get the candle back. It's messed up now. Because we were reacting off of this gap. But like it was already fully mitigated, so it was like, where are we even gonna long off of? There ended up being a nice long, but I had already taken my trade, so there was no point. So basically, going into market open, here was what I was looking at. I was looking at these 5-minute intermediate highs here and here. This might have been a 15 actually, but either way. And then we had a 30-minute gap up here. So I was basically just looking for something here to get hit and then a reaction to the downside. And that's what we end up getting. So we shoot up immediately and we completely ignore the 5-minute intermediate high. We hit this, I think it was a 15-minute intermediate. Let me check again. Yeah. And we do get a reaction off of this, but look at this. Like half a point from the 30-minute gap and bad structure. So like if you're gonna, like, you'd have to wait for this to get inversed. So 80-point stop loss and terrible risk to reward, like terrible structure. So then I was just looking for us to resweep, hit these highs, and then now we have this 30-second gap, which is super nice. And then I'm waiting for displacement to the downside. And this is why you wait for the inversion. We end up resweeping and then inversing in a single candle. So this is super nice. I ended up getting a fill down here because like as soon as it inverses, we're just like already down here on the next candle. But yeah, look at how quick this plays out. Yeah. So plays out in like 45 seconds, I think. And nice trade. I can understand if you didn't take it because you were bullish, but just looking at the facts and the most recent price action, I mean, like, even on the hourly, we're still kind of, like, we inverse this 1 hour. This 1 hour wasn't inversed, obviously, but still, since 5 a.m., we were displacing downwards after maybe, I don't know if we swept. We didn't really sweep anything, but still a lot of displacement to the downside. So, and I think there might have even been an SMT, but I didn't see it while I was trading, so I'm not gonna like talk about that. really. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so we did have an S&T because this was already swept out a while ago, I think. Um, but yeah, I've been liking these patty swings at market open because it's just like we always just place a ton, and it's like if we have such obvious manipulation into a gap, then it's like there's not much reason not to take it. But yeah, super nice win, and we are at I need to go to replay mode. But we're at like 1600, I think. Almost 1700 on the eval. So probably 2 more wins and should be passed. We could get a loss, so could be more than that. But we've been having some nice price action lately, Loki. But last week was unfortunately a red week because I didn't like anything Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday was a loss. And Thursday was pretty good, but unfortunately got a brutal break even. So that kind of sucks, um but yeah, but been trading well. So nothing to complain about, and probably wrap it up here. So hope you guys had a good trading day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.